out! My science project is about to break into 100 pieces!
Everyone turn around right now and look at what just happened on the main floor.
Oh no, somebody help! The entire display just crashed right in front of us!
Stop right there, boys! What on earth is going on over here right now?
You ruined everything! You just destroyed my entire volcano project on purpose! You are a big liar! You stole my project off my display table first!
We saw him take it.
No way! Ben would never steal anything from anyone! I am never going to apologize to you for this. Me neither. We are done.
Welcome to the annual School Science Fair Finals, where big dreams come alive today. Look at all these amazing science projects lined up across the big hall today.
I spent 3 whole weeks working on this awesome erupting volcano model at home. This is definitely going to win first place in the big competition today, for sure.
Look at the small trees, realistic lava trails, and special erupting crater on top.
Perfect. Table number 5 is the best spot for my volcano display right here.
Hey, Mike, could you please come over here and help me hang this heavy banner?
Sure thing, Mrs. Carter. I am coming right now to help you set up the stage.
Thank you so much, Mike. You are always such a helpful student in our class.
Move out of the way, please. We need to clear these tables for the judges quickly. Oh, this table looks too crowded, and let me shift this heavy volcano project over here.
There we go. This display table has plenty of empty space for this big model. Wait a minute. Why is there a huge volcano sitting right beside my project card? Where did Mike go? I need to tell him someone moved his project over here.
Let us examine the next display table and see what fantastic creation we have here. Wow, look at this incredible detail. Is this magnificent erupting volcano your entry, young man?
Well, actually, sir, I was just standing here waiting for my friend to come back.
Outstanding craftsmanship. This impressive volcano could easily be our grand prize winner today.
All done with the stage banner. Now I can go back to check my volcano table.
I cannot wait to show everyone how the baking soda eruption works during judging time.
Wait, what? My volcano is gone! Where did my entire science project disappear to? Did it fall down? Did someone move it? Oh no, this is a total nightmare!
I have to find it before the judges walk past my assigned presentation number 5.
Wait a second. Isn't that my volcano over there next to Ben on table 6?
Ben is standing right beside my volcano while the chief judge admires it enthusiastically.
You did a phenomenal job, son. This project is truly the highlight of our fair.
He is taking credit for my hard work. He stole my project to win the prize.
Hey! Get away from my project right now! That does not belong to you at all! What do you think you are doing, Ben? You stole my winning volcano science project! Mike, wait. Listen to me for a second. It is not what you think at all. That is my project. Give it back to me right now, you shameless thief!
Let go! I built this! Stop pulling it before you break the whole thing apart! Let go of it! No, you let go! It is mine! Stop pulling so hard!
Oh no, it is snapping in half. Stop pulling, Mike, it is going to fall. Watch out, catch it quick. Ah! No, it is falling down to the hard tile floor.
The entire volcano project is destroyed into tiny, useless, broken clay bits.
Oh my goodness. Look at what just happened in the middle of the hall. I cannot believe they just smashed the volcano right in front of the judges. Both of you stop this unacceptable behavior immediately. What is the meaning of this fight?
IOU ruined everything. You just smashed the project right when the judges were praising it. You stole it first. You tried to take all the credit for my 3 weeks of work. Mike is right. That was his volcano.
No, Ben would never steal anyone's project ever. You guys are taking the wrong side. Ben is innocent. No! Mike built that volcano.
Quiet down, everyone. Silence in the hall right now. We are going to the office. Please take a seat, boys. We need to discuss this serious incident right away.
Destroying property and fighting during an official school event is a very severe violation.
He stole my volcano from table 5.
I did not steal anything, I swear.
They were best friends before this morning. It breaks my heart to see them like this.
Because the project is destroyed and order was disrupted, both of you are officially disqualified.
Disqualified? But Principal Davis, I worked on that volcano for 3 long weeks at home. And I lost my chance to present my own project. Everything is completely ruined now.
3 weeks of hard work gone in 1 second. And my best friend lied to me.
He did not even let me explain what happened, and he just assumed the worst of me.
Excuse me, Officer John. Could we please check the hallway security cameras from this morning?
Let us rewind the footage to 8:30 a.m., right when the students were setting up.
Look right there. The student volunteer accidentally moved the volcano while clearing space on table 5.
Oh, goodness. Ben did not steal it at all. It was just a huge misunderstanding.
I miss my best friend. I wish we had never gotten into that horrible fight.
We have been best friends since kindergarten. And now he thinks I am a terrible thief. Ding dong. Someone is at the front door late this evening. Who could that be?
Mrs. Carter? Mike? What are you both doing here at my house so late tonight?
Ben, Mrs. Carter showed me the security camera video. I was completely wrong about you.
The volunteer moved your volcano by mistake, Mike. Ben was trying to find you to tell you.
I am so sorry for screaming at you and breaking the volcano, Ben. Will you forgive me? Of course I forgive you, buddy. I am just glad you know I didn't steal it.
If we work together all night, we can rebuild an even better volcano model by morning. Mold the clay smoothly around the bottleneck while I prepare the red lava paints.
Look at these vibrant lava colors. This dynamic detail looks way cooler than the first one.
Yes!
We finished it just in time. This new volcano looks absolutely incredible now.
Welcome back, everyone. Please gather around the main stage for our final awards ceremony.
Before announcing first place, we have a very special award to present this morning. For showing true honesty, teamwork, and forgiveness, we present the Friendship Through Science Award.
Give a huge round of applause for Mike and Ben for their outstanding joint project.
You boys demonstrated that science is not just about winning, but working together as true friends. Anger can destroy trust in seconds, but honesty and forgiveness can rebuild it forever.